Welcome to section 3 of Introduction to Indices. We shall be looking at more examples on indices. Simplify the following. Now, question 1 says 3 raised to power 2, everything to power 5. Recall the laws that we dealt with in section 1 or section 2 that says a raised to power b to power of m is same thing as saying a b times m, and that becomes bm. We shall be applying these laws in this equation or in this question. Now let's begin. Same as saying 3 raised to power 2 times 5. And what is 2 times 5 going to give us? That becomes 3 raised to power 10, and that will give us the answer of this. Now looking at this, in this case your a is like your x, your 6 is like your b, and your 3 is like your m, and that becomes x 6 times 3, and that becomes x raised to power 6 times 3, that gives us 18. Now question 3. Look at question 3 very well. Oh, we didn't put anything here. Let's assume that we have raised to power 4 here. Now question 3, we have nothing here, but anytime there is nothing on a base, it means there is 1. Is that okay? So that will be x 1 times 4, that gives us 4. Then we have y minus 2 times 4, that gives us what? Okay, correct, minus 8. And that will now be x raised to power 4. Remember the laws of indices that says anything to power negative will give us what? Good. And that will be 1 over that thing again, and this y raised to power 8, and that gives us x raised to power 4, everything to the power of what? 8. Very good. Now let's look at question 4. Now look at question 4 very well here. Question 4 says this 5 is not being affected by 2, so 5 is not affected, so we have 5. Then 2 is affected by the power of 2, and that becomes what? 2 raised to power 2. Let's go together now. Then we have e 4 times 2, that gives us 8, and we have f 3 raised to power 2 means 3 times 2, that gives us 6, and the whole answer becomes 5 times 4. 2 raised to power 2 is 4, and that becomes 20 e raised to power 8, then f raised to power 6. Very good. Now look at this. Negative raised to power odd number like this 3 will give us negative, but negative raised to power even number will give us positive. Please note that for life. Then 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 3. Then we have y 3 raised to power 3, that gives us what? 9. Then we have q 4 raised to power 3, that gives us 12. So we now be having minus 2 raised to power 3, that gives us what? 2 raised to power 3 is 8. Very good. Then we have y raised to power 9. Then we have q raised to power 12. See you in section 4.